Hey friends, are you ready to start a brand new lesson on learning a whole new type of subtraction problem? No, don't be afraid. They're a little hard, but you can do it. I know you can. I'm so excited for you because your brain is going to get so big. Okay, so let's get ready by warming up our brains and our hearts, and we'll get started. Okay, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm up that brain. Now let's warm up that heart. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm up your heart. And give me a big toot toot because you're excited to learn. Toot toot. Okay, let's get started. Here is another type of subtraction problem, a comparing problem. So here it reads, you have $9, I have $6. What is the difference? In this subtraction problem, we don't remove or take away anything. We are comparing two amounts. We can show this with two cube trains. So to solve this problem, we're going to need some connecting cubes, and we're going to build them into cube trains. Let's go. To solve this problem, first we're going to make a cube train of 9 cubes. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because it says you have $9. And then you're going to make a cube train of 6 cubes because it says I have $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we are going to put them close to each other so that we can compare. And if you see here, this cube train is much longer than this cube train. We can see that the difference between 9 cubes and 6 cubes is 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. We can write the equation 9 minus 6 equals 3. The minus sign in this problem does not mean take away. It means find the difference. The difference between 9 and 6 is 3. 9 is 3 more than 6. 6 is 3 less than 9. The difference is what we call the answer to a subtraction problem. Let's move on to the next problem. This is another comparing problem. Ty is 10 years old. Ty's sister Anna is 4 years old. What is the difference? There's that special magic word, difference, in their ages. Now to solve this problem, I already have my cube trains and I took them out of their train so that they're all by themselves so we can make new cube trains. So we're going to make a cube train for Ty's age, and we're going to make another cube train for Anna's age. And then, so let's make those trains and then we'll move to the next step. Okay, so here is my cube train for Ty's age. It's 10 long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I made one for Anna's age, which is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to put the two cube trains next to each other to compare. So now we can find the difference in their ages. Now, let's look. Here is the difference between the two trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can write an equation for this problem. We have 10 minus 4 equals 6. The difference between 10 and 4 is 6. Anna is 6 years younger than Ty. Ty is 6 years older than Anna. The difference, 6, is the answer to the subtraction problem. So now that we've done some problems with our counting cubes in our dry erase board, let's move on to the computer so I can show you how you can use the M tools to solve these comparing problems. All right, let's go. And use our M tools online to solve another comparing problem. We're going to be in lesson 16, introducing comparing problems. And we are on word problem number 3. So let's pull that up, and then let's also pull up our connecting cubes. So the problem says, Pat found 8 seashells. Ted found 2 seashells. What is the difference? So we're going to use our cubes. So we're going to make first a cube train for Pat's seashells. Ooh, that's a tongue twister. Seashells. And then we're going to make a cube train for Ted's seashells. Whew. Miss Benson's getting her tongue all tied up. And then we're going to place the trains next to each other to compare them and figure out the difference in the number of seashells. So let's first make a cube train for Pat. And we're just going to slide our cubes and they click together like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now a cube train for 2 for Ted. 1, 2. Then I'm going to place them kind of close to each other, like this. Oh no, they won't move together. Oh, there we go. So now I can find the difference. Let's count the difference, and it starts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write this equation now that we know the difference. We know the difference is going to be 8 minus 2 equals 6. The difference between 8 and 2 is 6. 8 is 6 more than 2. 2 is 6 less than 8. Wow, great job using your online tools to solve. Now that we've done a few practice problems, let's go over our math vocabulary words. Okay, we have subtract, and that's when we're taking away or removing numbers from a group. And when we are subtracting, we are using subtraction. 7 minus 3 equals 4. That's a type of subtraction. That's an equation. And then here is the minus sign. We can show it with our hands like this. Minus, okay? So we have a new word today that we're going to go over. And our new word is difference. Now, difference is the answer that you get after you subtract. It's the answer to a subtraction problem. So like in our equation here, 7 minus 3 equals 4. 4 is the difference. In a comparing problem, when we figure out how much more or less one number is than the other, the answer is a difference. All right, so I'm going to give you some time now to write our new vocabulary word in your math notebook. Okay, so open up to page 64 or 65 in your workspace book to write your new vocabulary word, difference. I'll give you some time now. If you need to refer back to the glossary to go over some of these vocabulary words, you can look in your workspace book on page 66 or log on and use the online glossary. Great job working on your vocabulary words. All right, now we're going to learn a super fun game called What's the Difference? This game will help us practicing finding the differences. The materials that we're going to need for this game are a partner. There's my friend, Puppy Dog. You're going to need a pencil or paper or a whiteboard and dry erase marker. You're going to need some connecting cubes, 2 color counters. You can always use the ones that you've made at home, and you're going to need number cards with the numbers 1 through 10 on them, which are very easy to make at home. Okay? All right, so this is how we play the game. Okay. Now, I'm going to mix up these cards, and then each partner is going to pick a card. All right, let me mix them up. Mix them up. I'm going to put them face down so we can't see. Okay, let's see. I'm going to pick a card. Oh, I picked the number 10. Okay, now Puppy Dog, it's your turn to pick a card. Oh, and he picked the number 3. Okay, so now we are going to make a cube train for each of these numbers and then write an equation. So let's make that cube train now. Okay, so I've made my cube train for 10, and Puppy Dog made his cube train for 3. So now we're going to find the difference, which starts right here. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write that equation, 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now, whoever picked the greater number, Puppy Dog, who picked the greater number, me or you? Ugh, I know, it was me. They have to take 7 counters because the difference was 7. So I have to take 7 counters. And we will play for 5 rounds writing equations and capturing counters. After 5 counters, the winner is the player with the most counters. Woohoo! 2. So I'm going to take 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's my counters. Okay. So let's do one more round on using our at-home manipulatives, and then we'll play a few rounds online to see who wins. Okay, so Puppy Dog and I just picked new cards. I picked 6 and Puppy Dog picked 5. And we've already made our cube trains for 6 and 5. And now we're going to find the difference. Make sure that you line up your cube trains. And here's my difference, 1. So now I'm going to write that equation. And this is round 2. Here is our problem for round 1. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Now, whoever had the greatest or picked the greatest number when we picked our number cards gets to take the difference number of cubes. So Puppy Dog, who picked the greater number? I know, it was me again. Yay! I get 1 more counter. Awesome. Now let's go do a few rounds online using our M tools. Now do a few more rounds of what's the difference so that our friends at home can really understand the rules of the game, and we'll see who wins. We have a few more rounds to do, so let's start. Okay, I'm going to pick a card first. Oh, I picked 4. Puppy Dog, what are you going to pick? Oh, you picked 6. Okay, so now I'm going to make my cube train for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's make our cube train for Puppy Dog. He has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's find the difference, and it's 1, 2. So we can write that equation over here. And we want to start with a bigger number. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So Puppy Dog picked the bigger number, so he gets 2 counters. Unclick that right tool. He gets 2 counters. Now I already had 8 counters. So I'm going to put 8 counters over here in my bucket. Puppy Dog, it's okay. This is a learning game, not a winning game. All right, so that was round 3. Let's move on to round 4. So I'm gonna erase our equation. Okay, we're gonna clear the cubes. Ooh, gotta unclick my erase. Clear the cubes, and oh, all of our counters went away. I'll count them back quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Puppy Dog gets 2. Okay, well, now here we go. I'm going to pick a card. Ooh, I got 5. Puppy Dog. Ooh, got 8. Okay, so now let's build a cube train for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then my cube train. 1, 2, 3. Oopsie, where'd that one go? Get in that cube. Gotta drag it all the way up. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's find the difference. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's write that equation. We have 8 cube train, our big number will go first, minus 5, and our difference is 3. Okay, now Puppy Dog, he picked the bigger number, so he gets 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're catching me, Puppy Dog. So I'm going to clear the cubes. I'm going to leave my equation there, actually, and we're going to pick new numbers. Okay, so we have 9. Don't want to press that button because it'll erase everything. And Puppy Dog is going to pick 3. Okay, so let's go. Let's build first our cube train of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we're going to build a cube chain for 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's find the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our difference is 6, so let's write that equation. 9 was the big cube train, minus 3 equals 6 is the difference. I pick the bigger number. I get 6 counters. Woohoo! Unclick that right tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drum roll, please. After 5 rounds, Miss Benton is the winner. But I love sharing, so Puppy Dog is the winner too. So friends, you can play What's the Difference at home, or you can play online. Have fun. If you have forgotten any of the rules or you need a little refresher on how to play, the directions are on page 31 in your Workspace book, or you can log online to see. You are going to play 2 different games with your partner. It can be a friend just like Puppy Dog. And remember, you're going to need those number cards, cube trains, and counters. And make sure that you write the equation after each time when you're finding the difference, and you are counting the number of counters captured. All right, have fun and good luck, and keep practicing finding the difference. Wow, you worked so hard today on some really tough subtraction problems. I am so proud of you. Give yourselves a pat on the back. And you learned a really fun new game, and you learned new vocabulary words. You are so ready for first grade. Okay, friends, let's celebrate with the You're Wow cheer. Put up one W, put up the other W, and let's say, wow. Because you wowed me today. I can't wait to learn with you tomorrow. Bye, friends.